This tutorial guides you through adding or updating site data efficiently from your picture-perfect dashboard. You will learn how to add or update your listing information step by step. Log into your account. Click Dashboard. This will take you to where you will find all of your listings within the picture-perfect system. Look for My Property Sites. Here you will find a list of all your properties. Locate the property. Click Edit Property to begin editing. Click Site Data in the left-hand navigation to access the detailed information. Click here to select the field where you will enter the MLS number. Enter your MLS number. Click here to enter the list price. Now enter the list price. Click here to select the field for the number of bedrooms. Enter the total number of bedrooms. Click here to select the field for entering the number of bathrooms. Enter the total number of bathrooms. Don't forget any half baths. Click here to select the field for garage spaces. Enter the number of attached garage spaces. Next, click here to select the field for entering the property's square footage. Enter the total square footage of the property. Click here to select the field for entering the year the property was built. Enter the year the property was built. Click here to select the field for entering the lot size of the property. Enter the lot size in acres or relevant units. Click here to select the field for entering the property description. Enter a detailed description of the property highlighting key features and amenities. Click Save Updates to save all changes made to the site data in Picture Perfect. You have successfully added the site data for your property information. If you need to update any of the data like price or description, just navigate to the appropriate field, make the changes, and hit Save. It's that easy.